it ain't nowhere near cooked. My bacon's coming off of mine. Look at that.
Poor technique.
You can tell it's Keith. It's screwed up. So, there you go. We'll be back in about 3 days.
Probably not leave me enough room to put mine on it.
No, but ain't nothing cooking, so we can move stuff around.
Cheating best. No, I'll leave mine in the back.
You're wrapping yours in prosciutto?
Hello? That's why I waited. You guys
prosciutto flown in from Italy, a small town.
Faithful YouTube followers on many channels, so we're honored to be here today for the Great Popper Challenge.
Hobo, we are going to give two gifts for this, first and second place. Actually, it's going to be second and third place because I know I'm going to win, but I done took myself out of the winning category, so we'll nominate second and third place as the winner.
All right, here we go.
I need a video unless Terry says shut up.
All right.
You're filming me.
I spend all my time in Manhattan taking pictures, people taking pictures.
That's what I did.
All right, so what's your thoughts on number one? Yeah. Tell me what you tasted. The best you can.
Well, I've never tasted anything quite like that in a popper before. That's
of course.
That's a totally different popper
That's
concept.
the reason of the challenge.
Yeah,
Karen.
Where's the
You're from the channel.
That's killer. What you got there?
I don't know what it is, but damn, that's good.
That's really good.
You said that on the first one. Get out of here.
Protein on the wing.
Yeah.
You have it dry.
And they add just a little bit of crunch.
Sweet. Scott, we don't know yet.
He's talking about me. He said.
Anything specific?
It's like a popper pie.
Tanner, I didn't know you were in here.
It's like a popper pie. I'm not sure what's in this one. I like the breading. That's good. A little more crunch to it.
Shout out to
Rusty.
Andy, what's up? Thanks for watching. Ooh, he's going straight, rubbing it on the pants. He's
thinking real hard on this one, folks. Thinking real hard. A lot of stuff going through his head there. A lot of flavors kicking in.
Rusty's had a lot of food. Well, people who made one starting at 1 through 5.
You know what? I think I'm going to have to go with this one.
Oh my God. All right, that's number one. Who's number two?
See? And the time that he enters, he's
Fuck
never
you,
bumming
Tom.
I'm not going to get banned from anybody's channel.
My channel has no rules, so you can do what you want.
No rules is fine. Rusty, you don't
Tom's here,
vote.
by the way, anybody watching. Rusty, come on.
Have to go second, third, and fourth.
Hold on. You didn't pick me, so I don't need to go. You got first is here. Who made this pepper?
Is it the one with the...
Yeah, that's Laurice.
I think so. Is it the sweet one?
I don't
Did you
know.
like the sweet one best,
Yeah.
or did you like the spicy one?
Yeah.
The sweet one?
Uh-huh.
Laurice wins.
Who did this?
It looks like number one is Laurice from Laurice's Kitchen. He's in first.
Like the way it keeps
I've been dethroned. So, congratulations. We'll have to see it.
Taste this one.
Taste it. You gotta taste
Laurice,
the sweet one first.
what was in yours that is the winner?
There was...
Wait a minute. No, he's got to taste it
Gotta
first.
wait.
Oh.
It's a sweet one.
What's in the winning one?
No, I think that's, isn't that the sweet one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a dessert popper.
Yes, okay, dessert popper is.
Okay, it was cheesecake and
Peanut butter
peanut butter
cookie.
cookies and pecan pie, all wrapped with bacon.
And peanut butter cookies.
So we're here to award the gifts for the never-ending popper challenge. Me and Tango Joe started this 4 or 5 years ago, and I want to thank everybody that participated. I want to thank the judge for being an asshole and not voting me number 1. But we got 2 prizes. The number 1 place gets to pick their one of the 2, and the number 2 place gets the second one. Laurice, you're number 1. You won.
Yay!
So you can get syrup, or you can get this thingy here.
This thingy, that's an 18-piece barbecue set. Why would I choose the syrup?
I have no idea.
I got
So Laurice is going to go barbecue cat or something. I don't know.
Because there's only 12 pieces.
Tango Joe, that means you win the syrup. Direct from Canada, from a pure Canadian maple tree.
Are there any really pure trees in Canada?
Only the maple.
There you go.
It says it right there, pure maple.
Now look, how many people know that syrup comes in a can? But again, the winner, ladies and gentlemen.
And I have to say, I couldn't have done this without Karen. She was integral in coming up with the ingredients.
I helped.
Karen,
Oh,
that's my sister.
I know.
Oh, I don't get any kind of shout out, but you're going to say, oh, Karen was instrumental in my cooking.
Thanks to Keith for inviting us.
that is funny.
Karen was instrumental in my cooking. Thanks to Keith for inviting
That's
us.
what we do here, man. We have fun,
instrumental in
drink beer.
Oh, true, yeah.
Karen was instrumental in your losing.
Loser.
As usual.
She's been doing that her whole life.
Well, yeah, this is true.
You don't call him a loser, do you?
We're having
That's a
fun.
loser always.
We're going to go put some food up, and then we're going to
Hey, wasn't that a medal?
have some drinks.
I'm a loser.
Hey, you two are just wrong. You two are just wrong.
Second winner.
We gotta go get the food put up,
champ.
and then we got beer to drink.
Oh, yeah.
The winners
Ahead of all
right
the
here,
losers.
Laurice and Tango Joe.
Yay.
He's been dethroned, but
I'm coming back
Coming
next
back.
year.
I don't know how.
Next year, 2019. Everybody get here and enter. We can have as many entries as we want. One of us is still going to win, but hey, you might as well try.
I'll get a better than judge
you
next year. All right, we gotta go. We may be back, we may be not. I don't know. Who knows?
See ya.
Y'all.
Bye. Bye.
Hang it.